And we're back at the hobby shop. Alright. We were about to talk about the new Ninja Turtles movie that is coming out in next week, or when is it coming out?
Next Friday.
Alright. Next Friday. Alright. So, you guys have seen the trailer. I couldn't tell if you saw it or not.
No, I didn't see the trailer, so, I'm out in the blue, so.
Alright. Okay, so from where we're standing, what do you guys think?
Well, for me, I think the trailer, the teaser trailers were very vague. You barely got to see the turtles at all. So it was really kind of like, I was skeptical about it. I'm like, I don't know if I want to see this yet. It's a Michael Bay film. He's screwed up every other film that I really wanted to see. Once I see the turtles, I'll know more. And then, of course, they released more and more and more. Now this full-fledged trailer with all the juicy bits of fighting and everything else. For me, a lot of the stuff about them makes sense, and I'm cool with. I'm a lot of people are like, oh, I don't like the outfits they're wearing, but it's nothing that's that bad either. It's all stuff related to the comics, like Donatello's lab coat, or just Michelangelo's necklaces. These are all things that at some point in different storylines they did have, and it makes sense to their character. So I'm cool with that. The noses, a lot of people griped about them, but they're not as bad as they did look originally.
Now, me personally, I've never had a problem with the noses. I didn't even notice there was anything wrong with them.
Too, another thing, a person brought up a good point the other day. I heard turtles have noses. They have the nostrils. It would make sense for them to have a nose. So if these are mutated human turtle things combining together, it would make sense that they would have some characteristics of a human as well mixed with a turtle. So I don't see a problem terribly. The size is another thing that people have griped about, of them being a lot taller, kind of more big and buff.
That's kind of the thing I had a problem with.
To me, I'm kind of like, they're cool, they're awesome looking, but at the same time, they're turtles. Turtles are supposed to be shorter than humans in the comics and all the other stuff.
Yeah,
they're ninjas.
There really is no set rule how tall they are.
There really isn't. In certain variations, some have been same height, some have been shorter, some have even been taller than some of the characters.
Because if you look at the original cartoon, the turtles are like 5 foot tall. Mm-hmm. They come to like April's breast, basically.
Mm-hmm. Another interesting thing, speaking of that for just a split second, is I'm curious to find out what April actually is in this movie. Is she? We've had the classic her being a reporter. If you want to go classic, she was actually a hooker in the original version of the story.
I did not know that.
The actual original comic, she was a hooker, and the turtles rescued her from somebody that was going to kill her, and that's how they met. And then, of course, they couldn't show that on TV in the 80s, so she became a reporter. And then, in the newest incarnation, she's an antique shop owner. I'm curious what she's going to be, how she's going to play into the movie. We hear about her father, obviously, had something to do with the genetic research in the trailer. So, that's an interesting thing to think about. They're kind of going deeper and tying in stuff, figuring certain things out. So, there are a lot about the preview I'm excited about. The negative points, there's not a whole lot I'm looking at, but again, I haven't seen the movie yet, so I can't really say, well, I don't like this, and that. For the trailer, I'm excited about it in certain ways and looking forward to it.
All right. Now I need to ask, are you going to see the movie?
Yeah, I will watch it and give it a chance.
All right. Anytime soon, so we can at least get somewhat of a review.
If I can try to get, a couple bucks to go see it at the theater, I will, when it comes out. Definitely on my list of movies to watch.
If I had the money, I would go too, but, money's tight. I don't have a job, so...
Well, you could always watch it for free. The magical Freeland,
I think we know somebody here that would watch it.
Yeah.
I am shaking my head.
Current user of the Pirate Bay or some site that is similar.
Which we do not endorse or condone because we are a completely normal YouTuber using base. But we do absolutely support complete freedom in the United States of America, the great nation we live, because freedom is everything. So if you want to use that stuff, feel free to. But we do not support it whatsoever.
Alright, going back on topic.
Sorry. Alright.
Alright, so anything else we want to talk about the Turtles movie?
You saw the trailer.
Well, honestly, I went and watched the Godzilla movie out of nostalgia. I was always a big Godzilla fan. But I didn't like it. Some people liked it. Some didn't.
I actually really enjoyed the Godzilla movie. It's not one I really wanted, but it was just still cool to see what level we got to see of them. It was still cool to see Godzilla on the big screen for the first time.
Yeah, but...
And I don't want to hear 1998 Godzilla. That movie didn't fucking happen.
Like I said, long years of therapy.
Yes.
There wasn't really much of a point for me to go watch it because I wasn't really a big fan of it. It feels like Michael Bay is doing his simple thing of getting something that's been used plenty of times before, making a remake, trying to get money off of it, and just going to go milk it out with sequels. so I'm probably not going to watch it.
That would be pretty sad to see. Another thing just being Transformers.
Yeah.
That would.
And is it sadder that Transformers turns out to be a big success?
That
It
makes a
is.
lot of money. It's getting so many.
It's a tragedy, though. You think about it; it makes a lot of money, but so many fans hate it.
And it also brings down, movies in general.
No.
Because those are the big movies that are making the big money. So directors don't want stuff unless it's just filled with action, just like a Michael Bay film. And it's just, it's going to bring down other movies if it's going to go like that again.
If it succeeds so well.
Yeah.
Other people are like, I'm going to be like Michael Bay because it makes a lot of money.
Now, what's the tragedy to me is like you get like the Transformers movies, you'll have sequel after sequel after sequel. But I gotta ask, where's Kick-Ass 3? I'm still waiting on that. Ghostbusters 3, where's that movie?
Actually, that's supposed to be coming out soon, technically.
I'm very doubtful about that because I heard that the actor who played Egon passed away a while ago.
What?
Yeah, he passed away months ago.
Howard Ramis died, yeah.
I didn't even know
I
that.
thought it was just all up to Bill Murray.
Oh, that sucks.
Now that I know that.
Honestly, to be fair, I'd say where's Ghostbusters 3? I'm actually right past that point. I don't care anymore. But I'm just saying, there's so many good movies that could use a sequel or could use a third movie. I want to see a Dredd sequel. I want to see a sequel to Dredd.
Never seen it.
You need to see it. It's a kick-ass movie.